to play basketball. Okay? I can challenge you to biking, but then there are certain things I know. Sinasabi ni Maribeth, no, kahit marami kayong ka-interact, ang dami yung dance steps na minimemorize, ang dami yung dance steps na dapat malaman, it's not a question of merely memorizing it. Meron kayong mga kasabay na dancers, the experience must be total.
Oo.
Hindi naman pwedeng, ay, kutsa, ano ba ang lyrics? Ay, ano ba ang steps? Ay, kailangan ba ako mag-interact? Ay, andyan ang audience. Hindi. Kailangan pagpasok nyo, total yon, buo yon. Oo. Husa ng, it looks, you know, the most difficult thing to do is to make something hard look easy. And it has to look easy and enjoyable. Okay?
Kasi we're trying to give them simple steps. Kasi, kumbaga, they're very raw.
Oo.
I cannot complicate your steps really because wala na eh. Hindi nyo nga memorize yung lyrics, kung complicate ko pa yung steps nyo, ay wala na. Talagang magiging bobo na kayo sa entablado, sa stage.
Yan nga, Maribeth, paalala mo sa kanila, kailangan memorize nila ang lyrics nila as early
Paulit-ulit ako,
as
direct.
possible.
Paulit-ulit ako.
Lalo na pag mayroong mga steps.
Kasi you're singing, okay? We're doing this because you're singers. The steps that we teach you, the movements, if you forget them right there and then, it's forgivable. Kasi you can do your own move eh. Pero yung kanta nyo, hindi pwedeng maging disintonado. Binibigyan lang namin kayo ng moves, ng blocking at lahat para may galaw kayo. Pero yung sarili nyo, tupagin nyo yung pag-memorize ng lyrics nyo. Kasi pag hindi nyo talaga memorize ng lyrics, gusto nyo magpakitang sayaw kayo ng sayaw.
Wala.
Eh nag-audition sana kayo to be dancers na lang instead. 'Di ba? We're just here to give you moves. To coordinate your shoulders with your leg. But it doesn't mean to say na maging technical kayo na, hindi kasi ito yung tinuro sa akin, step side, kailangan masunod, wala na kayo sa tono. Di baguhin nyo. Pero gawan nyo na magandang moves. Yung sinasabi kong ginawa direct ni Miguel. I did not teach him his moves going to the left, stage left and right, but he did his own kind of walk and moves. And I was happy about that. Kasi hindi tinuro yun eh. Nag-create siya ng sarili niya. Yun lang yun. And then, yun nga, yung maybe being a rocker is not, you have to just maybe study the songs you want, really think about it.
Di ba kasi naalala ko yan eh. That's the sort of song that Chad and Eman would sing last year.
Correct.
Okay.
But he's gonna do Man in the Mirror.
Michael Jackson, okay pa yan. I mean, may mga team, may mga dramatic team pa yan.
Medyo kasi ganyan din